Hi everyone, this is Ankur Raj, and in this video we are going to discuss all about the Bitcoin system and the five facts about the Bitcoin that you must know, and whether the Bitcoin is illegal in India, what is cryptocurrency in India, and what is the value of Bitcoin in Indian currency. We will discuss all about the things, and in the last of the video we will discuss about how you can invest in the Bitcoin system or the cryptocurrency system. So let's get started. So the first question arises that what is cryptocurrency? So cryptocurrency is nothing, it's just the digital currency in which the transaction are verified and records are maintained by decentralized system. So what is the meaning of this? So cryptocurrency is what is just the digital currency, means what that it is in the form of it is in the form digital form, and the thing is that the records are maintained by decentralized system. Like in the normal system, the records are maintained by the banks, and that is the centralized system, means at one place all the records are maintained. Whether you are sending some amount to some other persons, then all the records are maintained at one place. But in the case of cryptocurrency, let us suppose 5 users are there, that the records are maintained by each users, and there is no any centralized system. Okay, it's the decentralized system. And I've also discussed about this in detail in my previous video. The link I will provide in the last of the video. So I've also provided the details about the complete system in my previous video, in which I have also explained about the blockchain system. So I will provide the link in the description so you can see. So the three facts about the cryptocurrency that you must know, that it has no any intrinsic value, means that like in the normal currency, what you can do, that you can exchange your currency in place of gold, or you can just buy gold of some amount, and as the rate of gold increases, you exchange that gold in the form of currency, like in the Indian rupee note I am talking about. And so in the case of Bitcoin, it's not possible. It's only the digital currency. You can't have any intrinsic value, means you cannot redeem in place of some other things such as gold. And second thing is that it has no any physical form, means it is not in the form of paper. It is in the form of digital form. And the third thing, that its supply is not determined by a central bank, means there is no any bank is involved, as I have told you, that it is the in the form of decentralized system, means all the users maintain their own record, that is in the form of ledger. So the thing arises that what is the value of one Bitcoin in the Indian rupee system? So it is you can see that the one Bitcoin is equal to 42,18,849.58 Indian rupee. And the another cryptocurrency is Ethereum, that is also in wide demand in today's system. But see, there are two cryptocurrency that are demand in the market, but the most important and the most demandable thing is the Bitcoin system. Okay, Bitcoin is most in demand, it's most popular. Ethereum is also running in the market currently now, and the one ether equals to 2,16,301.07 Indian rupee. Okay, it's an interesting fact. Now, the five facts that the bit about the Bitcoin that everyone should know, and the most important question that arises, that whether the Bitcoin is illegal in India or it is legal, means you can invest in the Bitcoin or not. Okay, so let's see first the five facts about the Bitcoin. The first thing is that investing in crypto is not illegal, means it's completely legal. You can invest in the Bitcoin, it's completely legal. But what happens in 2018, the RBI have banned this cryptocurrency, that is the Bitcoin system basically. The RBI had banned in 2018, but in March 2020, Supreme Court ruled out against the RBI ban. Means the RBI ban then removed in 2020, March 2020. Okay, and the most interesting fact is that more than 2 million users have registered as investors in crypto startups. Means that the fact is that the it is completely legal. You can invest in the cryptocurrency. There is no any ban or such things are there. Okay. Now the second fact is that cryptocurrency transactions are taxed. Means that yes, it is not regulated by the central authority, it is decentralized, but if you are investing in the cryptocurrency and if you are making some profit, then the government will employ some tax there. You have to pay some tax in the case of cryptocurrency also, like the general rupees. But the what is the profit? The profit is only that it is decentralized. Okay, so you have no, you have not to depend on the banks, and the banks will not charge some other extra charges. Okay, now the third fact is cryptocurrency are not expensive. So most of the people have thought in their mind that the cryptocurrency the cost is too much high, so how should we can buy them? Okay, so for them I just want to tell them that yes, the cost of one bitcoin is around about 30 lakhs, near about 30 lakhs, and this is fluctuating actually. Means it changes, the value changes. Here I have written that the 30 lakhs, near about 30 lakhs. Okay, 2 per coin. Okay, so but the cost is basically changes. So it's yes, it's expensive, but you can invest in the bitcoin. You can invest in just rupees 100 also. Okay, how you can invest? The in India there are crypto exchanges like Coins Switchcuber. It's very much important. The Coin Switchcuber is just a platform which provides you that how can you invest in the bitcoin system. Okay, in the later slide I will tell you about this. Next is the value of crypto is real as rupee. Yes, some people thinks that the Indian rupee, that in the form of notes, are the only real. The Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency are just a set of codes. So how can we invest in that? It is maybe it can be exhausted. Okay, so it's not like that. Just imagine that the government, the Indian government has just going to ban the 2000 rupees note tomorrow. Okay, then what will happen? There is no any value of this 2000 rupee note that we are using today. Okay, so just similarly like that, it's the cryptocurrency are just trustable by the group of some peoples that yes, this is valid. Okay, so it's just in your mind. If you think that the 100 rupee note is just the nothing, is just the paper, then you can just tear it out and you can throw it out. Okay, similarly like that, it's just in your mind that the cryptocurrency is just valid or not valid. It's completely valid. The value of the cryptocurrency is just real as your Indian rupee. Okay, so you can invest in that. Now the next thing, investing in cryptocurrency is very much simple. Basically the people have thought that RBI have banned in 2018, so it's quite complicated that whether I have to invest or not. Yes, when it is banned, it's little much complicated, but in 2020, in 2020 March, when the ban is ruled out, the ban is removed out, investing on the cryptocurrency is as simple as you invest in the in the stock market. Okay, it's just as simple like that, that you have seen that how the peoples invest in the stock market using some apps. Okay, so it's as much simple as to invest in the cryptocurrency like that, and it's also profitable. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the most important thing, that how to invest, how you can invest in the bitcoin system. Okay, so you can invest in the crypto to buy goods or services, although most people worldwide use it as a store of value. Many it is used an investment tool just like stocks and bonds. I have told you that the people just invest like the stocks in the stock market. The people used to invest. Similarly, you can also invest in the bitcoin system or the cryptocurrency system, whether it is Bitcoin or Ethereum. Okay, the first and the most popular cryptocurrency is the Bitcoin. That's why I'm talking more and more about the Bitcoin, because it's the most popular. It's more in demand, and you must know there are over 8,000 cryptocurrencies currently in circulation. Apart from the Bitcoin, there are also some cryptocurrency that are circulating in the market. And recently, cryptocurrency as an asset class crossed the mark of 1 trillion in market capitalized. Okay, now the thing is that how can we can invest in the Bitcoin? What I have to do? What we can do? So you don't have to do anything. Just go on the Google and search for the coin switch cuber. Just go and just Google it. Okay, don't trust by words, just go and Google it, coin switch cuber. You will find some apps also. An app naming coin switch cuber is also present. You can install that app in your mobile, as simple as that. And you can invest like just you can invest at the starting money of rupees 100. Okay, you don't have to just collect your cash in lakhs and then you have to invest. You can start investing from rupees 100 to lakhs. Okay, so this is as simple as that. You can invest in the Bitcoins and you can just going to purchase it. Okay, this is simple and also profitable, because the value of the Bitcoin is changes in the market. And what the people is doing, that as the value of Bitcoin increases, they used to withdraw that money and they used to get profit from that. So I think it's all clear about the Bitcoin system, how to invest, and it's completely legal in India. You can invest now. So thanks for watching. Thank you.